Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, the old phone, backup codes, and the account you need to recover. Next, open the account's security or two-step verification page on a trusted browser. Do not log out yet. Once done, check whether the Authenticator app shows codes. If it does, export or screenshot QR keys now. If it doesn't, note the account's recovery options, because you will need them for the next step. Contact or automated recovery flows require specific identity detail. Now proceed with the actual transfer. If the old app can export accounts, follow its export flow and scan the QR with your new device's Authenticator app. If export fails, use the service's account recovery form and submit required evidence: email, device info, and any backup codes. Once you regain partial access, add an alternate 2FA method, such as SMS or a hardware key, so you can finish re-registering the new Authenticator. Make sure to keep notes of confirmation codes during this step. Finish by verifying the new Authenticator. Sign out and sign back in, then enter the fresh 6-digit codes to confirm they work. Once verified, remove the old device from account settings and generate new backup codes. Store them in a safe place. If you cannot complete recovery, escalate to customer support and provide identity documents, device serials, or purchase receipts. Ask for a manual reset of two-step verification. One key troubleshooting tip: if you're stuck, clear browser cookies or try a different network before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.